Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, then hi. So for today's video, I wanted to do a Q&A video, and I was looking for some online and I found one that I really wanted to do. So it's 20 basic new YouTuber tag questions you must answer. So let's go ahead and get started. So number one is, what is your name and the name of your YouTube channel? So my name is Tonancysilvia Hernandez Cac. My YouTube name is Tonancysilvia, but I usually go by Nancy because a lot more people can pronounce it. What does your channel name mean? My channel name is basically my name. Where are you from? I am from Mexico. Why did you start a YouTube channel? So I started a YouTube channel because it's something that I've always wanted to do, but this year I finally got the courage to do it, and I want to do it on like the beauty side because I really like doing my makeup. I also like getting ready, but it's something that I don't do every day because every day I'm mostly a mom. So this kind of gives me a part of me back. What will your channel be about? So my channel will be about beauty, but it also will be about my life and lifestyle, and like you guys kind of getting to know me more on like a personal level. I don't know if that made sense, but let's continue. Who is your target audience? So my target audience will be people that are interested in like the beauty community and like wanting to learn how to do hair and makeup, wanting to know how to learn the basics of doing so. What do you hope to achieve with your YouTube channel? I hope to change a life. So I've always wanted to make a difference in the world, and a lot of my career paths always led to doing that. I haven't had the chance to do what I wanted, so this will be a way to do that. 3 top favorite YouTubers. Right now, I would have to say is Katheenlights, Jeffree Star, and I think Shane Dawson. Who inspired you to start your YouTube channel? I definitely think just kind of the fact of how crazy the world is right now and all the bad things that are happening right now impact someone's life for the better, or just make someone else happy. So that's what I would say would inspire me. It's not a who. If you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? If I could collab with anyone, I would think it would be Katheenlights, but she lives so far right now. So if it was like someone that would be close, then I would probably say either Jeffree Star or James Charles. What is your favorite thing about YouTube community? So I don't know more to the extent than what I've experienced, because I just started out, so I'm a couple months in. But right now my favorite thing is kind of getting to know more people. I've contacted a lot of people and they've contacted me, and like they show a lot of support, and then just seeing how my friends and family members are very supportive of what I'm doing. And it doesn't mean that they understand why I'm doing it, it's just kind of the support that I'm getting is incredible. Yeah, I just like the support, I guess. Okay. Your least favorite thing about the YouTube community? So my least favorite thing about the YouTube community is, I guess, all the drama. Not that I have some per se myself, but it seems like a lot of drama is kind of the negative part of it, or like all the criticism. What do you think you can bring to the YouTube community that isn't already there? I think I can bring myself to it. I mean, there is only one of me, and I think I have a lot of experience with a lot of stuff that includes like from makeup to like life experience. Okay, 3 things we need to know about you. So the first thing is that I am known to be brutally honest. So if I don't like you, I don't tell you I do. 2 is that I'm very sarcastic. And 3 is that I've never told someone I'm nice. So, watch out. Just kidding. And 3 is that I think I'm the funniest person alive, but I don't know about that. Okay, what do you think the most rewarding thing will be? I don't know if this means it for the YouTube community or just in life in general, but I think the most rewarding thing that life would bring is just the purest form of happiness. Like, sometimes we strive so much to try to be happy the entire time, but we just forget to enjoy the small moments that bring you happiness. Do you see yourself being a YouTube for a long time? Yes, I do. I do hope I stick with it. Do you have any tips or advice for someone who's starting their YouTube channel? So my tips would be, 1, be yourself. Don't feel like, to me, I was always so nervous to start it because I just didn't want to be judged. But right now I am sitting in a room with no one around, and I just feel like I am talking to the camera. I don't feel like I'm talking to anyone else, and that makes it a lot easier. Of course, the bigger picture is I am talking to someone. I am hoping someone listens or watches this, but it helps me get through it, you know? And 3 is be consistent. If you stop posting and then you want to get back to it, it's going to be hard to just kind of get back into the room. Even if you can just do like a 5-minute video, just go ahead and do it. Start with whatever you can. Don't let not having the equipment stop you, because that you can buy with time. That would be the advice I would give you, is just do it. I mean, don't wait like I did. I waited so many years, and well, now I started, but a lot of things changed. So don't wait around, just go ahead and do it. This was the last question of the video. I hope you guys like getting to know me, even though this was only YouTube questions related. But I hope you guys liked to hear what I have to say. So I went and bought this the second day it was released. I bought 2 of them because I wanted to do a small giveaway. And since I hit 400 subscribers, I just wanted to do something cute and small. So this is the new Morphe palette, and this was the collab with Brett. So if you want to enter my giveaway, it will only last 1 week. In 1 week, I will decide the winner. So first thing you have to do is you have to be a subscriber. Second thing, you have to be following me on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put my Instagram down below. And third thing is you have to tag 3 friends on the comment down below, so to win this bad boy. And that's all you guys have to do just to win this small giveaway. So if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this or have any suggestions, then comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye. So I have a giveaway. It is starting